Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting tools in place. Install VSCode and the Microsoft C/C++ extension so language features work. Next, install GCC or Clang and confirm the compiler is reachable via the terminal. This is why code can compile. Once done, open a dedicated workspace folder, create main, C, and save it. Make sure to set the file type to C and optionally initialize a VSCode folder. This starts the editor's configuration pipeline, so tasks and debugging can be added next. You now wire up build and debug. Create a tasks JSON that compiles your file with debugging symbols using GCCG and outputs an executable. Then generate a launch JSON to attach the appropriate debugger, CPPDBG for GDB or CodelDB for LLDB. This lets you set breakpoints and step through code. Also update CPP properties. JSON with include path and compiler path so IntelliSense matches your compiler. Once configured, run the task, then start the debugger. This sequence and you finish by running and testing. Execute the compiled program in the integrated terminal so stdin and args behave predictably. While debugging, use breakpoints and watch expressions to inspect variables. Step in, over, and out to follow logic. If things go wrong, check the most common sources. Ensure the compiler path and path are correct, confirm tasks. JSON command syntax and validate launch. JSON debugger type. If a breakpoint isn't hit, recompile with G and restart the debugging session. This usually resolves symbol or path mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.